a big pile of them, then I'll set them aside. And at 7 a.m. when it's cold, it'll be easy money.
Yeah.
Get ourselves an axe is nicer, but in the absence of an axe, we use these. Kindling, smaller sticks, bigger sticks, we'll lace it all together.
Yay.
One match later, boom.
Nice warm fire in the morning. The temperature is 36 degrees. Temperature is 36 degrees and we slept great. I got up one time in the middle of the night to visit the Wolf Eyes. The window was open 1/4 of the way. Just my window. Good stuff. Cooking some eggs. For an egg sandwich on pumpernickel bread. Perfect. That's a big woodpecker.
So we've been camping here last night. We had a wonderful breakfast and a great fire, and we're thinking about checking out the town of Roanoke, Virginia today. So it just dawned on me that we can actually load all this stuff up. Just roll that mattress back, bungee cord on it, put these containers in the back of the car, and in 10 minutes, we're on the road, packed up. When we get back to the campsite, okie dokie, containers come out, mattress drops back down. We're sitting in the chairs by the fire, 10 minutes. There is nothing better than this.
No cleanup. Just pack up and go.
No cleanup, $20 a night for a campground. You know, if they have water, great. If they don't, we have these little containers that we fill up. A couple days is great. I'm not sure it's something I'd want to do longer than 2 or 3 days, but it's great at the end of the week. It's best when there's no cell service. Good things.
Yeah.